For decades, a silent agreement existed among the giants of the automotive world. It was a comfortable understanding that kept the hierarchy in place. If you wanted a car that could scream around a racetrack, you went to Italy. If you wanted a car that felt like a rolling bank vault, you went to Germany. The Americans were allowed to have their straight-line muscle cars, but they were not taken seriously in the corners. And China. China was simply the factory, the place where other people's ideas were assembled. The executives in Stuttgart, Munich, and Detroit sat in their leather chairs, sipping coffee, believing that the barrier to entry was too high. They thought that building a world-class hypercar required 100 years of heritage. They were wrong. While the old guard was busy polishing their history, a new force was rising in the East. They were not interested in following the rules. They were interested in rewriting the laws of physics. You are about to meet the machine that has shattered that comfortable silence. This is the Zeekr 1 FR. And no, this is not just another electric car with a big screen and a battery. This is a declaration of war. The FR stands for Future Road, but it might as well stand for Ferrari's regret. We are looking at a vehicle that takes the concept of a family car, rips it apart, and rebuilds it with the soul of a fighter jet. This is a shooting brake that produces nearly 1,300 horsepower. It is a car that can spin 360 degrees in one spot like a tank. It is a car that was tuned by a Formula One world champion. And most importantly, it is the car that proves the era of European and American dominance is effectively over. Today, we are going deeper than we have ever gone before, into the engineering miracle that is the Zeekr 1 FR. To understand why this car is so terrifying to the competition, we have to start with the heart of the beast. In the past, if you wanted 1,000 horsepower, you needed a 16-cylinder engine, 4 turbochargers, and a team of mechanics to keep it running. Even in the electric age, companies like Tesla and Porsche thought that 2 or 3 motors were enough. Zeekr looked at that and laughed. The 1FR is powered by 4 independent silicon carbide electric motors. That is 1 motor for every single wheel. This is not just about raw power, although it has plenty of that. We are talking about 1,265 brake horsepower. If you activate the special Raikkonen mode, that number jumps to 1,300 horsepower. To put that in simple English, this family car has more power than a Bugatti Veyron. But power is nothing without control, and this is where the 4-motor layout changes everything. In a normal car, the wheels on an axle are connected. If one wheel slips, the other one struggles. In the Zeekr 1 FR, because each wheel has its own motor, the car's computer can adjust the power to each corner of the car within milliseconds. Imagine you are driving on a patchy road where there is ice on the left and dry asphalt on the right. A normal car would panic. The 1FR simply sends the exact amount of power needed to the wheels with grip, while slowing down the wheels that are slipping. It happens so fast that you, the driver, don't even feel it. You just feel invincible. This technology allows for something called torque vectoring. This is a fancy term, but the concept is simple. When you turn the steering wheel to go around a corner, the car naturally wants to push wide. It wants to go straight. The Zeekr 1 FR fights this physics by spinning the outside wheels faster than the inside wheels. It literally pushes the car into the turn. It feels like a giant hand has grabbed the car and is rotating it around the bend. You can carry speeds through corners that would send a traditional sports car into the bushes. And because this system is electric, it reacts instantly. There is no waiting for a turbo to spool up or a transmission to downshift. You think about the speed, and the speed is there. Let's talk about the acceleration, because the numbers are frankly ridiculous. The Zeekr 1 FR launches from a standstill to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.02 seconds with a rolling start. Even from a complete stop, it does it in 2.37 seconds. That is violent. It is the kind of speed that rearranges your internal organs. It presses you into the seat with such force that you can't lift your head. But unlike American muscle cars that can only go fast in a straight line, the Zeekr is designed to sustain this performance. It uses an 800-volt electrical system. This is the high-voltage architecture that separates the toys from the tools. It means the wires can be thinner, the heat is lower, and the efficiency is higher. You can thrash this car on a racetrack lap after lap, and the battery will not overheat. It will just keep delivering that sledgehammer blow of power until your neck muscles give up. Speaking of the racetrack, we cannot discuss this car without mentioning the man who helped build it, Kimi Räikkönen, the Iceman, the Formula One world champion who is famous for having media interviews and loving fast cars. Usually, when a celebrity puts their name on a car, it is just a marketing sticker. They take a photo, sign a contract, and leave. This was different. Kimi Räikkönen was actually hired as the chief performance advisor. He spent days at the track, driving the prototypes, complaining about the handling, and forcing the engineers to fix it. The result of his work is the Räikkönen mode. This is not a gimmick. When you press this button, the car changes its personality. The suspension stiffens up, the steering becomes heavy and precise, and the torque vectoring becomes aggressive. It allows the car to slide just enough to be fun, but catches you before you crash. It is a setup designed by one of the greatest drivers in history, available to you with a single touch. It proves that Zeekr understands that a car needs to have character. It shouldn't just be a robot, it should be a partner. One of the most viral features of this car, and the one that stops traffic wherever it goes, is the tank turn. Because the four motors can spin in opposite directions, the Zeekr 1 FR can rotate 360 degrees on the spot. It looks like a magic trick. The left wheels spin backward, the right wheels spin forward, and the car pivots around its center. Is this useful for driving to the grocery store? Maybe not. But is it the ultimate way to show off? Absolutely. It demonstrates the precision of the motor control. If the motors were even 1% out of sync, the car would lurch forward or backward. But it doesn't. It spins perfectly flat. It is a flex. It is Zeekr telling the world, we can do things you can't even dream of. Now, let's look at the skin of this animal. The design of the Zeekr 1 FR is a masterclass in aggression. The standard Zeekr 1 is already a good-looking car, with its shooting brake shape that blends a wagon and a coupe. But the FR version turns the volume up to 11. The body kit is made of real carbon fiber. We are talking about the front splitter, the side skirts, the rear diffuser, and that massive rear wing. This is not fake plastic with a carbon print that you buy on eBay. This is the real, expensive, lightweight material used in aerospace. The roof is carbon fiber too. This is crucial because it lowers the center of gravity. By taking weight off the top of the car, it makes the car less likely to roll in corners. The front bumper has huge air intakes that look like they could swallow a small dog. These are functional. They channel air to cool the massive brakes and the battery. The red accents on the bodywork act like warning signs, telling other drivers that this is not the standard model. It sits on 22-inch forged aluminum wheels that are wrapped in special performance tires. The stance is wide and low. It looks fast even when it is parked. It has a presence that demands respect. When you see this in your rearview mirror, you move over. Underneath those wheels, you find the hardware that keeps you safe. When you have a car that weighs over 2 tons and moves this fast, stopping is more important than going. Zeekr equipped the 1 FR with AP racing brakes. These are not normal brakes. The front calipers have 10 pistons. 10. Most sports cars have 4 or 6. A 10-piston caliper is something you usually find on a dedicated race car. They clamp down on massive carbon ceramic discs. These discs can withstand temperatures of over 1,000 degrees without fatting. You can stomp on the brake pedal at 200 kilometers per hour, and the car will just stop, drama-free, time after time. The suspension is provided by KW, a German company famous for making the best coilovers in the world. It is manually adjustable, meaning you can get out of the car and click the dials to soften or stiffen the ride, just like a professional racing team. Let's move inside. Opening the door of the Zeekr 1 FR is like stepping into a command center. The first thing you notice is the Sea of Alcantara. This suede-like material covers everything. The seats, the dashboard, the ceiling, the door panels. It is soft, it looks expensive, and it grips your body so you don't slide around in the corners. The seats are racing buckets that hug you tight. They are carbon fiber backed to save weight, but they are still heated and ventilated because this is, after all, a luxury car. The technology inside is powered by the Snapdragon 8295 chip. This is the latest and most powerful processor available for cars. It makes the screen respond instantly. There is no lag. You swipe and it moves. The graphics are crisp and beautiful, but the wildest piece of technology is something you hopefully will never need. The Zeekr 1 FR comes with built-in satellite communication. In a normal car, if you drive into the desert or deep into the mountains where there is no cell phone signal, you are alone. If you crash, nobody knows. The Zeekr can connect directly to satellites in space. You can make calls and send messages from anywhere on Earth. It is a safety net that no other performance car offers. It shows that Zeekr is thinking about the worst-case scenarios, not just the best ones. The battery that powers all this wizardry is the Killin battery from CATL. CATL is the biggest battery maker in the world, and this is their flagship product. It packs 100 kilowatt-hours of energy, but the special sauce is how tightly the cells are packed. It has a record-breaking volume utilization efficiency. This means they fit more energy into a smaller box. It gives the car a range that is usable for daily life. You don't have to live at the charging station. And when you do charge, it is lightning fast. Thanks to the 800-volt architecture, you can go from 10% to 80% charge in just 15 minutes. That is barely enough time to grab a coffee and use the bathroom. By the time you are back, the car is ready for another few hundred kilometers of abuse. We must address the elephant in the room, the Tesla Model S Plaid. For a long time, the Plaid was the king of the hill. It was the only option if you wanted a 4-door electric rocket. It destroyed everyone in the quarter mile. But the Plaid has a problem. It is a one-trick pony. It goes fast in a straight line, but the brakes were originally too small, the suspension was too soft, and the interior felt minimal to the point of being cheap. The Zeekr 1 FR was built specifically to hunt the Plaid. It matches the straight-line speed, but then it adds the cornering capability of a Porsche Taycan. It adds the luxury interior of a Mercedes. It adds the build quality that Tesla has struggled with for years. When you look at the price, the situation becomes even more embarrassing for the legacy brands.